What's up everybody? If you're interested in seeing how I did this illustration with an airbrush, stay tuned. So I ended up using Createx colors. I'll put the list of everything I used below in the link. And if you're interested in actually buying this illustration, I have it on my Etsy page too. It's also in the link tree. So I started off with just a rough sketch on a board with a pencil, and I found that it was kind of easier to do it this way versus trying to freehand it with an airbrush. I'm not that experienced just yet. I'm getting there. This is less than a month into it, so I'm still learning. But getting the right skin tones to match the actual reference images was pretty challenging. I ended up having to refine it quite a bit. I started off with the Tupac illustration first. I got frustrated, took a break, came back and realized I need to do Biggie Smalls too if I'm doing Tupac. It's only fair. So I went back in and did Biggie Smalls as well. So I added some highlights and shadows with the white and black and slightly darker tones of red for his jacket, and just to make things pop. But I realized some of the shadows weren't sharp as they should be by the corners. So what I ended up doing was using one of my stencils as like a little border, almost like a buffer. So when I sprayed with the airbrush, you'll see me in a second here, it made a really sharp, crisp black line, and I was able to kind of like give you more of a 3D effect. There I go right now, adding the stencil on the shadow portions of this. I did mess up a few times, but it's okay. You wouldn't even notice if I go back over and I cleaned it up towards the end here. But again, this is all new. This is less than a month of using airbrushing, and if you haven't tried an airbrush, it looks easy, but it's really challenging. But it's very satisfying, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, what do you want to see me draw next? Leave a comment below as to what you want to see drawn. I had a few requests for different comic book characters, so I'm gonna get to that next. All right, you guys, I will talk to you soon. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and check out my free stuff on Gumroad. Don't forget to check out my social media platforms because I'm giving away free stuff, and you can actually purchase these pieces of art on my Etsy shop right now.